Here's the difference of the notes that were taken earlier this week to the notes that they're going to be in the future. In the past, I did everything with you. From here on out, you are going to be finding definitions from the book, so you will need to bring your book every day for sure. And then when we do examples, I'm going to do them with you. Okay? Okay. We already used our sea of zeros using these manipulatives on the board right now. Now we're going to be representing them using the same way that we did yesterday. However, I would like you to write on the left margin of your note. Actually, do it down by that one box thing there. Do it down by the box thing. Just like our assignment yesterday, you're going to have black be the positive integer and the white be the negative integer. Okay, it's like yesterday how we had if a company's in the black, they're in the positive. If a company's in the red, they're losing money. Okay, from the reading section that you guys are supposed to do yesterday. So that's our key. Colored in is positive. The other's negative. I want to go closer than that. So the top part, as I just said, that's what you are going to be getting on your own. So here we go. We have diagramming subtraction using a sea of zeros. A sea of zeros is that activity that we just did with the positive and negative integer. It's chilling on your desk. Now I'm going to show you how to do that using this mat with one T. When we represent, how big is this? Okay. When we represent, come on, there we go. We have a problem here. It is 12 minus negative 7. When we want to represent 12 using that closed and open circles, what are we going to do? What's it going to look like, Sam? 12 closed circles. So I'd like you to write 12 closed circles in this box here. And I want you to write down exactly how I write down in the next example if you didn't do it yet. Okay, this one isn't as bad, but in the future we're going to want to because the things are going to line up. Now, since we represented 12 in the original box, what do you think and how many are going to be in our sea of zeros? Well, in this expression, how many variables or how many numbers are there? Look on your page. I don't have it visible on the board right now, but how many are there? There's 2 numbers, right? What's the first one? 12. What's the second one? 7. It's negative 7, exactly. But we want it to be a sea of zeros. So how many zeros in a sea of zeros? How many are we going to create? Let's go 7. I heard a couple people say it. Let's go 7. 2, 3, 4, 1. I'm going to do it like this. Thank you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there's our sea of zeros. The plus and the minus, the positive and negative, I keep saying integrals. Integers are right next to each other. So this is like how we had them sitting on top of each other here. Okay? There's our sea of zeros that we did in the example. Here is our sea of zeros that we're doing in the notes. Now, it says, subtraction map, we are going to, are we going to add or take, let's get that different color. Are we going to add or take away something? Raise your hand. What's it? We're going to take something away. How many are we going to take away and what are there? Sydney, do you know? 7 positive or negative? Negative, because it says right here, negative 7. So we are going to take away we're going to take away 7 negative integers. Here's 5 integers that we're going to take away. Here's 6, 7 integers that we're going to take away. So I'll just do it like that. Those are being taken away. Those are being taken away. Now, you will not be able to do this. I do not want you to erase something, but this is a representation as to what we're doing. We took these away. These guys are... Come on. There we go. So that guy's taken... Wow! Let's try that again, shall we? There we go. That guy's taken away. These. Nope. These. There we go. These are taken away. So, now, how many positive integers can you see within this map? 12. Okay, Raven? 12? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, right? See that? Oh, is it going to count those now? There we go. So we have 19 positive integers remaining. So let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Do that. Well, not everybody's perfect. That's all right. But I do want you to be clear. I mean, some of you are rushing through this really fast. I want you to be able to look back to this and see, oh, that's what I did. Well, that's great. That's fantastic. I understand that completely. To clarify what we did as you're filling in your bubbles, that sounds like modern education. Now, you took these guys, you took these guys, you took these guys, put them all over here. Which became 19 positive integers. Became 19 positive integers. Now, if that makes sense already, fantastic, wonderful. Let's do another example, and you guys are actually going to have about 10 minutes to work on your homework. So we're going to do one more example. We're going to do number 4 on the back side of your page. I would like you to create, ooh, that's wrong. Whoa, okay. Let's undo that. So you're going to create 11, quiet please, 11 negative integers, because the question is negative 11 minus negative 7. So create 11 negative integers. And then in our sea of zeros, how many should we go with in our sea of zeros with which to work? 7? I'm going to agree with you. 7. Let's do 7 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Draw. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Because this is a sea of zeros. We have to make it be zeros in there. Yep.
Like cancel it all.
Yep, because we have positive integers and negative integers hanging out with each other, and they be 0. Yes, Dana.
So is the scribble thing new? Like yours upgraded?
Where it says zeros?
No. It's not
Nice.
Like how when like if you get wrong, you just scribble it and it makes
It's a different program. It's called Microsoft OneNote. It's what math teachers use at the high school, and they showed me it last year, and I don't like the other programs. This works wonderfully because I can do this to the exact thing, and I can scroll with it. Okay, back to the question. Yes.
This one's like now going this. You need to tell that to a guy from Woodland named Mr. Gunther.
Yeah? All right.
He needs to know that.
Gotcha. Yeah, I used to be a trainer, but now I'm not. So, all right. We are taking away, I just told you. Why did I say we're taking away? How do we know that we're taking away? Dominique, what do you think? I haven't heard from you today. What shows us that we're taking something away? The subtraction sign, yes, I can say it. The subtraction sign shows us that we're taking something away. What are we taking away, Charlie? We are taking away negative what? And how many? What's it? We're taking away 7. Positive or negative? Negative. So we're taking away 7 negatives again. So I'm going to circle these guys. Those guys are out of here. You go. If those are gone, what does that leave us? How many positives come over here? Max? 7. So I'm going to make 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You are supposed to have yours exactly like mine. Because there are 7 positives that carried over. We're not done yet. Let's go. What's that symbol?
Those are circles.
Don't be lazy. Come on. Don't be lazy. How many negative integers came over, Freddie? 11. So I'm going to do 11 integers over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 integers related in the result. Now, how many of these have created zeros? Yeah. Yeah. So what's our answer? What's our answer, Johanna? Yeah, what's the result from what it just indicated here? 4? Look. Yep. 4. Certain about that. Okay? You are so close to being there. You are so close to being there. Yes. Negative 4. Because remember the negative was our white? Yeah. That's right. So we have negative 4 as our answer. The rest of it is your homework.
Thank you, God.
That is due on Monday, and I want you... Hands are tough. Thumbs up. Yeah. So you're working on that for 10 minutes. Goodbye.